Okay guys, welcome to Jetjanix channel and the financial modeling course. Once again, welcome here. Guys, today we are going to calculate the internal rate of return or the IRR in finance. As you know, after the NPV are in the project appraisal process, when we calculate the NPV, we have to calculate the IRR, the MIRR, and in some cases we also calculate the multiple IRR. But in today's video, we are going to discuss and calculate only the internal rate of return, that is the IRR. Okay, so in Excel again, if you want to calculate the IRR, it is very easy. Let me tell you something about the data we have here. So in this column we have years, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in this column again we have the cash flows, and the first cash flow is minus and minus because these 250 rupees we have invested in some business, and that business give us the cash flow of 100 in first year, 100 in second year, 100 in third year and 100 in fourth year. And we are going to calculate the internal rate of return or the IRR of this cash flow stream. So first of all, type the equal sign here, and then you just type IRR. Okay, this is the IRR. Just double click it, and now you see we have two things here. Let me explain something: the values and the gains. So values means the cash flows, the positive and negative cash flows that we have here in this column. We have to select it from here to here, and the gains I will explain it in my next video when I will calculate the multiple IRR. And we use just for the time being, for now, I will tell you that gains will help you in calculating the multiple IRR where we have 2 or 3 change of sign. Sign means this sign, the plus minus. When we have 2 3 sign change, and where we are required to calculate the 2 or 3 IRR, there the guess value will help you in calculating the first, second and third IRR. So I will tell you in more detail about the guess value in my upcoming video. So for now, just type the IRR and select the values from here, all the values, select it, close the parenthesis and just press enter. Okay, now you see 22, we have the IRR value of 22 of this cash flow stream. Okay, now you can analyze if the calculated IRR is correct or it's wrong. So if you want to analyze it, and if you want to see either we have calculated the right IRR or no or not, then you can just create and calculate all these values which we have in the loan table here. For example, in the year 1, you see we have the principal amount, because the IRR, it creates an amortization table in its background. That's why you see in the year first, the beginning balance of your loan is 250, and that was the minus figure in our cash flow stream. And this is the upcoming cash flows, I mean the cash inflows. This was the cash outflow. And here, if you see the formula, you see the formula here. This is what we have done so far. We have taken this amount, okay, this amount, this one, and this is the payment which we have made or which we have received today. And here we have taken this amount and have multiplied by the 22% here, this 22 internal rate of return. So we have calculated the interest payable in this period. So the interest payable is 54.66 in this case, and the remaining amount is the principal payment. So balance of loan at the end of the period is 204 rupees. Okay, in the next period because the principal amount is low, that is not equivalent to the 250 rupees. Now the loan amount is 204 only, that's why the interest payment is also low and the principal is bigger than the last year. Okay, and now if you come here at the year 4, ending balance is 0. So if the ending balance is 0, it shows that your internal rate of return of 22% is quite well and absolutely right. Because if it wasn't right, then you had something here in plus or minus, but it would not be equivalent to 0 if you have the calculated the wrong IRR. And if this balance here is 0, it shows that the IRR calculation is totally right and correct. Okay guys, so for the IRR, I think we are very clear. It is very simple, and the IRR calculation in the Excel, you see the simple calculation with simple cash flows, it is very easy, and you can also analyze the accuracy of your calculated IRR as well here. I think you got it, and it is very easy. Yes, let me tell you something else. If you want to see the formula, for example, of calculated value, you can just type here formula tax, okay, and double click the cell whose formula is required and then enter. You see, now you can see the formula also here. If you want to use it for your future use, you can just copy it from here. Okay, thank you guys, and if you understood it and if you like our video, kindly subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you guys.